Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going next to the 34 and we got some extra parts for it too. So we've got the LED rear lights, so Nismo-style LED rear lights and rear park, reverse and brake light too. So just a full refresh of the back end of the 34 that I've been wanting to do for a long time. So we'll pack this up in the daily and then we'll head off next to the 34. Alright, we're not taking the brakes today, but we're taking the cut down daily impressor. I'm just gonna get these. And I'm not taking the WX just because I am lazy to get out of the garage. That's why I park. So today's just mainly focused about the R34. So I do have things planned for the WX. It's just today is all about the 34. Use them a little bit for you guys for a long time. I don't know how long I've had these in storage, but I had them imported straight down from Japan. So hopefully they're good, but I believe they'll be good as well. So honestly, every time I get to go next to my R34 is just another amazing day. So I can't wait. I'm actually super excited to see the car. So this is 2 weeks in a row. So, you know, things are speeding up process wise, and we're at the final steps to finally see it on the dyno and just, you know, doing small finer tweaks. Today we're just gonna be doing a lot of cleaning up work and the rear Nismo LED lights as well. Super exciting, and it's actually a very nice day today too. Perfect day to start the week. I'll pick the camera up once we're next to the 34. Brakes are all bled and all good to go, so that's a tick off the list. What that's pretty much left now is putting everything back together, the bottom of the dash, which we got done, cleaning up the rear boot, a lot of the wiring for the fuel pump, the relays, just relocating and kind of mocking it up at the moment. A lot of that was done too. It's still pretty messy, to be honest, but other than that, it's getting on pretty well. So just doing a lot of cleaning up in here too, just getting it ready to get on to the dyno. Also cleaning up the boot a lot, and we are doing the Nismo rear lights today. So we have these LED rear lights, which they don't look terrible, but I'm just not a big fan of them, and I want to go the OEM Nismo rear LED lights, which might be look so much better. And these were faded, so we got new ones for these two going. So this is the Nismo-style one we got from Japan. I'm just going to be replacing the LED one. I'm just going to make it look so much better. I reckon the orange instead of the white is going to look a million times better. We're still doing a few minor things to the car to get it running properly. Yeah, it's almost there. I'm just going to get working on this. I'll probably might come out somewhere and start replacing this. Fortunately here, I'm looking at the rear lights and they've been actually bonded to the plastic covers for the 34 as well. So I did lose a lot of motivation, to be honest, and didn't have much time left. I definitely didn't have enough time to remove all this and to reseal it. So today was pretty much a fail. So I can show you guys, it's been all bonded to the back of the plastic pretty much. So I'm gonna have to find a day where I have more time, probably when the car's finished, to remove all this, and then we will redo this video again. Today we dropped by the 34, got a little progress done, fixed the coolant leak and fixed a fuel leak and fixed up a bit of the wiring. I tried to do the rear lights, but it was honestly a bit of a big fail. As you guys can see, the rear actual lights, the plastic where it connects to the covers has been polyurethaned on, so I'm just gonna have to do it another day. But I still want to give you guys a little update on the 34. We're going back next to it again Monday next week, but I do want to make other videos in the meantime before that too. But I want to make these little update videos with the 34 as well, so keeping you guys along before it's done, and hopefully it's not too much longer. But yeah, that was today's little update with the 34. Just a lot of cleaning up to do, still honestly a lot of work to do, but you know, it's starting, and we got a radiator cap for it too, and just again cleaned up a bit of the wiring, and it's almost there and ready to go. But hope you guys enjoyed this little update video of the 34, and we'll be back Monday next week.